Welcome to Winter Storm Ulmer, also known locally as Snowmageddon. We're enjoying all the winds today, along with blowing snow, and started out the day with some rain. We'll see how this goes for us. No school today for the kiddos, so we are getting to spend some quality time at home. It's kind of forcing us to stay home and enjoy life and rest and relax a little bit. You can see here that we don't have huge amounts of accumulation yet, but with the way the wind is blowing and the snow is coming across here, we'll be looking for some significant drifting before the day is over with. The only good thing about this storm is that it's not particularly cold out, although with the wind blowing like it is, we are having a significant wind chill factor out there. The front steps here are a little bit rougher. You can see here that we're starting to get some of that drifting that they're talking about around my steps. It's also starting to drift around the existing piles of snow out in the front of our home here. It's only been snowing for about 3 hours now, and we've already got quite a bit of drifting taking place. Again, the big issue here is the wind is blowing so hard. But the really interesting part is with all the rain and meltage we had earlier, a lot of this stuff underneath is just slush. It's just wet, sloppy, nasty stuff. So it's going to be really hard to shovel when the time comes. And around the garden, the roses are getting drifted in. Kind of interesting here how we have around the outside of the barrel is drifted out around there. Some of our Precious Moments figurines are getting drifted in as well. All those figurines, those Precious Moments figurines that we could see earlier, are gone now. The snowdrift in front of my house is up to the point that when you open the door, you have to brush snow out of the way. Hopefully, don't get snowed in. And it just keeps coming. And the drifts are here. You can see them here on our sidewalk. Drifted in. I'm in snow up almost to my knees here. But you can see here how it's coming around this edge of this fence here. So it's still coming down pretty good, and lots of snow to go yet. We're nowhere near done with this thing. They say it's supposed to keep snowing until tomorrow sometime. So wherever you are, enjoy your day, and we're going to stay